Hello everybody, I got here is a GE oven. I'm going to show you how to remove the door of this oven. Open it up, flat. Inside here, there's two notches, this one and this one. Let me zoom in on that one. Alright, so here's a flathead screwdriver. There's a little notch over here. Just put it in between the notch. And boom. There you go. So here's the little notch. Then you can, once it's loosened, you can just move it with your hand. Now the other side. Again, do the same thing. Now you can push it down. Alright, so you raise it up. Runs out. This one, the other side is not cooperating, so let me see what's going on there. Let me put this back. Alright, try again. Now it's all the way down. So it should be all the way down. Raise it up to this height. There you go. So make sure the thing is all the way down, otherwise you won't be able to take it up. So the oven door has this notch over here. When you put it back, this part here has to go here. Right there. So the notch has to go here. Same thing on the other side. Where's my camera? Oh, here you go. So it has to go there. Okay. So the notch will go here. So there's there's one notch here, and one on the other side, which you can't see right now. Yeah, right there. So that one. That notch there has to align, or has to go here and here. This is the tricky part. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so I just cleaned the inside. I'm gonna put the racks first before I put the door. It'll be much easier. Alright, so I'm gonna put it back on. Make sure you line up the notch into the slot over here. Careful, door is heavy. I'm looking at it from the top. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. It's in. So what I did, so while I was installing it, I was looking at it like this so I can see where it's going. Now, make sure you lock it back in. So, to lock it, push this back up, put this back up, the lock that you released earlier, lock it, close. Alright, so that's locked now. Not gonna come up. And it's perfectly aligned. Alright, so that's how you remove and reinstall the oven door. This is a GE brand, and I hope this helps you guys. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Goodbye and have a nice day. Enjoy your day.